Welcome to the Intellectual Freedom Movement. I'm your host, Harvey Dent, and today I take you all on a little unplugging mission with me. Figure I need to get away. Figure I'd take you guys with me. Yep, as calm and as easily as I seem to be taking all the information that I spew in, even I, on occasion, need to look for someone for spiritual guidance and just to help understand.
Many highly awake people need alone time. Why do they need alone time? Because
no one knows this life. No one has life all figured out. You learn to deal with what's dealt and hope you can do the best with what you're given. We were given all of this. All of this we were given. And even this beauty is marred by greed. The same state taxes I pay that maintain this state park do not compensate or do not make up for the parking structure that I had to park in. I had to pay $7 to enter the park, $2 more just because I have a dog, and they still expect me to pick up the shit. See, I'm going back to that place again. So now I gotta find my quiet place. Let me introduce you guys to my quiet place.
that's why that's why a lot of highly awake people go missing. You're like, where did you go? Nobody knows. In fact, they ran away, right?
Sometimes I can't help but point out the extent to which we've been lied to. You want to know what I'm talking about? Well, right now, I have no coverage on my phone. If our phone signals are from up there, then why do I have zero signal here? Does any of that make sense? I mean, I am in an open area. Why do I have no signal? Tell you why. Because there ain't no damn satellites in space. That's why. That's right, Harvey Dent. This whole time, this is a journey that we're all gonna take. Just like all journeys, any difficulty you run into, you must get over to get beyond. Roadblocks are a way of life. I mean, they're just the way that we deal with things. The way that people that have evil desires and wants do to make discovering the truth that much harder. What truth are you seeking? I am seeking every truth that has been hidden from us. Because from the moment that I learned of the lies and deception that we've been subjected to, tricked into, forced into, fed and made to believe, I have been on a mission of personal growth. I have come to a point where I no longer care to convince anybody what I believe in. You want to see what I see? Reconnect.
They need alone time to recharge, because many highly awake people really realize that humanity has really gone the other way.
The more awake you become, the more sensitive you are to things around you, the more sensitive you are to your perception of things, and the easier and more likely you are to have that impact your attitude and your spirit, your aura. I used to not be one of these people that believed in spiritual awareness and awakening, and I thought it was all a bunch of mumbo jumbo. But it's not. We have a connection with this earth here. We have a connection with each other here that we need to explore, that we've been kept from exploring. We have been hindered as a civilization. We have been hindered and oppressed by the design of this system. If you don't believe that we are in the system, if you don't believe that we are in some kind of made up false reality by all these contracts that we are locked into, I mean, the Matrix is pretty much about the best way you could explain or describe the life and environment that we're born into, bred, and raised in. Gotta reconnect. Everybody does it their own special way. Or everybody should do it their own special way. How many of you hate bugs? You hear that big ass bug buzzing around me? Can't stand the motherfuckers. So I figured I'd just introduce myself or reintroduce myself to you if you have not known who Harvey Dent was or what he looked like. I haven't been hiding. There are videos on the channel that I have shown my face in. Way down, there's way down there. But if you look, you see, but who I am or what I look like isn't important. It's not about the vehicle that the message is being delivered in. It's about the message that's being delivered. Now, I don't have all the answers to every fucking thing. I don't claim to. I'm out here feeling my way just like everybody else. Feeling my way, doing what I think I can do to help explain or figure out what the hell is going on. So I appreciate everybody's patience while I go through my little emotional dealing with this, or dealing with whatever roadblocks I come in contact with. But right now, the only roadblock I have is the hurry up and wait game. I am waiting right now because, as you know, you have to do everything by USPS, and the government is probably they're in a transition right now. I don't know how much that will impact it. I should get my my federally authenticated BC back soon, and I'm just going to try and remain positive and continue to do research. I have found that I do my research in spurts. So I'll go like a week, 2 weeks hard of research study, and then I kind of just, reach exhaustion, like mental exhaustion. I got to take a break because this hole, this hole is never ending. It is never ending. I swear, it's like when you think you get to the bottom of it, or you think you got, everything figured out, or exactly, what goes where and who has what and who's doing what. Something else comes up, some other piece of information comes up, or some other event occurs where you're, like I said, again, once you wake up, your awareness is a lot more keen. That bug is getting on my nerves, man. I don't like big ass flying bugs. Why do they gotta always pick me to fly around? Oh, I didn't even know y'all was listening. That's right, I'm sucking wind. Fuck you. It's a really nice place. Look at that cemetery. You want to check out that cemetery? That shit is old. We go check it out. "24-hour surveillance, really? By whom?" lot of down stones here. That's sad. Well, it's not that sad because I wouldn't pay to have a gravesite. I don't want to be buried. How many of y'all want to be buried when you die? I figure that's a waste of damn money, you ask me. The hell is this? The hell living in there? Look at this shit. What's in there, Apollo? Look in there. What's in there? Look in there. Look in there. What's in there? Look at that hole. What's in there, man? Find something. Yeah, what's in there? What's in there? Man, this is big ass holes, man. Shit. Maybe Mary be coming out saying hi. She died in 1880. Damn, she's only 8 years old. Wow. Okay, so Mary is 8 years old. Damn, 3 months old? What the hell? Damn, I guess it was a rough time back then. Let's see, 1870 to 1875, 5 years old? Wow, what was life expectancy back then? The hell, is this like a kid's cemetery? Oh man, you're pissing on their grave. What you doing? You're pissing on their grave. Damn. Well, you just disrespectful, man. All right, let's see. This one looks, why is this? This plate looks semi-new. 1870, damn, that's 3 years old too. See, plaque was replaced in 2012 because the stone is gone. That's why. 1862, 1870, that's 8 years old. David Morgan, 1816. Oh, this one's a little better. Yeah, so I guess we don't have too much to complain about. At least we're not planting that many of us at that young age, but ain't no telling what the hell these idiots got planned for us anyway, man. Sorry to go all evangelical on you guys the last couple of days, but you know, every once in a while you gotta stop and just recollect, you know, get your frame of mind back. If you're able to catch yourself in that little spin where you start to lose control, or start to feel like you're, you know, gonna lose control, or shit just doesn't feel like, you know, it's right, it's your responsibility to put the brakes on it and bring yourself back to a center and a more sound peace of mind where you can make clearer decisions and say nicer things. Well, if you like what I'm doing here, why don't you go ahead and click that like button. You know you want to like it. Subscribe, share, comment, dislike. Do something so your brothers and sisters know that you're alive out there. Until you find your truth, keep looking.